Hello, today is all about retinol. We will discuss what is retinol, why do you need retinol, how to add it in your skincare routine, and most especially how to pick the right retinol for your skin. Let's get started. If you've seen in a skincare product the word retinol, it is a skincare ingredient that actually works to help you look more younger. It is the best anti-aging skincare ingredient. So if your goal was to look 20 years old at 50, you want to age gracefully, you want to look younger at 60 years old, you want to remove your fine lines and your wrinkles, then this is the skincare ingredient that you need to go for. Because how retinol actually does work, it renews the skin cell very fast, and at the same time it increases the amount of collagen on our body. That's why if you start using retinol, your skin becomes more firmer. As you age up, your skin looks more firm and more youthful. So this is how you're going to select the right retinol for your skin type. Retinol, mostly they're usually in percentage form. You can see 1%, 0.5%, 0.3%. That percentage usually means the amount of retinol in that bottle, it is that percentage. So the higher the percentage, the more stronger that retinol is. But mostly you will pick retinol based on your age. Because when you're 24 years old, that's where our amount of collagen usually start to decline in numbers. So 24 to 29, I usually recommend the Ordinary 0.5% in squalene. Product is mostly for a beginner. It's mostly for a person that actually has some quite of collagen in their body. This retinol, it just has 0.5% of retinol. That is a good concentration of retinol that is going to work for your skin. At the same time, it has squalene. Squalene, mostly it's for hydration purposes, is to make your skin more plumper. How you're going to use this retinol? Using retinol is very different. You want to use it in a very good strategized way. Use it only at night. So after you've cleansed your skin, take your moisturizer, then apply your moisturizer. Then take this retinol and apply a thin layer, just some few drops, 1, 2, apply it on your skin. Then take your moisturizer again and apply it. You have seen we've applied moisturizer, the retinol, and then moisturizer. It's called sandwiching method. You sandwich that retinol. When you do that, it helps the retinol less irritative on your skin. And you want to use retinol gradually. When you're starting out, just use twice a week. So you can do maybe Monday and Thursday. As the time goes by, you start to increase the amount of days, but do it very sluggishly. My next favorite retinol, it is the Inkey List of 1% retinol. So this retinol, it contains 1% retinol. So that's quite a high percentage of retinol. So mostly I usually recommend this for those people who are 30 years old to 38 years old. It's a good formulation, is a good concentration of retinol for you to use that is going to be super effective. And remember that retinol is not safe for those people who are pregnant. So if you're trying to conceive and you want to get pregnant, or you are pregnant right now, then don't use retinol. At the end of this video, I'm going to recommend to you what is a good alternative to use instead of using retinol. So mostly this Inkey List, it has 1% of retinol. This is a good concentration of retinol for those people who are 30 to 38 years old. So how you're going to use this product, again, very similar. Use it only at night. After you've cleansed your face, simplify your routine the moment that you're using retinol at night. You don't mix it with vitamin C, you don't mix with salicylic acid. So just cleanse your face. Make it as simple as possible. So just wash your face. After you wash your face, tap with a clean towel, then take your moisturizer, apply it on your skin. Take this retinol, few drops of it, apply it on your skin, then take your moisturizer, apply it on your skin. You're sandwiching that retinol. Only use it twice a week or thrice a week. Gradually, just increase the number of days slowly by slowly. Don't be in a haste. As your skin really get used to using retinol. Next favorite retinol, it is the Retinol Retinol Serum. This retinol is more powerful. It has 2.5% retinol, and at the same time it has something called Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is also an ingredient that actually works to remove fine lines and wrinkles. So if you're watching this video, you already have fine lines, you have wrinkles, or you have smiley lines, then this is the product that you need to opt for. This concentration, 2.5%, it's very high. So I usually recommend it for those people who are 40 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, and they want to look more younger, they want to look more youthful. Use this one with 2.5%. How you use this product, it's quite similar. Again, only use it at night, twice a week or thrice a week. At the same time, just cleanse your skin, apply moisturizer, take this serum, few drops applied, then take a moisturizer and apply it. The product I usually recommend, it is the Retinol Serum Resurfacing Serum. This retinol is mostly for those people who have post-acne mark, because this retinol, it has only 0.3%. That's a very low percentage of retinol, and at the same time it has niacinamide and licorice extract. So it's going to brighten those dark spots on your face, and at the same time it's going to help renew the skin cells so that you don't end up getting acne again. How you're going to use this product, just use it at night after you've cleansed your face. Use your moisturizer, then apply this again, use your moisturizer, and you go to sleep, and only thrice a week. My other product is the Naturium Retinol Body Lotion. So this is mostly for the body. If you want, mostly when you're using this serum is only for the face, but this product is for the body. So if you want your body to look younger, to look youthful, then you need to use this retinol body lotion. For this body lotion, you don't use it daily, use it only at night. So after you have taken a shower, take this body lotion and apply it on your body, just using it thrice a week or twice a week. And gradually you will start to notice how your skin looks more softer and more youthful. Lastly, the last product, it is the Bakuchiol, the Inkey Bakuchiol. So this product is mostly for those people who are sensitive, they are pregnant or trying to conceive. Bakuchiol is another form of retinol, more safer for those people that are very sensitive and for those people that are pregnant. It's also another form of retinol, but this one is more of a natural form. So it's going to help you look more younger, it's going to help you look more youthful, but it's less irritative. It contains 1% Bakuchiol. That is a very good concentration of Bakuchiol that can work for all skin type. So use this one, and how you use it, it's very similar to using retinol. Just use it at night only and apply it. Use your moisturizer, then apply this Bakuchiol, and then use your moisturizer, and make sure that you use a sunscreen during the day. That's it. See you in my next video. Kwaheri.